Looks like we got some great footage of drones capturing Bigfoot. Look at this one. Very close up. Big time. This other one, this next one right here, is no doubt it's a Bigfoot, a Sasquatch, because of the neck being so short. Man doesn't have that. This one captured one taking a deer. Look at the Bigfoot to the top right here, hiding and staring at a bear. Would he eat a bear? Absolutely. Top middle there. This guy was a fake. That one there was a fake. He had a friend in a costume. Here is the drone captured one staring. And then on a film, an IMAX film, there was a Bigfoot out in the field. Here's another Squatch captured from the air in the woods. This Squatch here, you'll see in a second, it is zoomed in. With no way expecting that. And again, big with no head. Incredible. Incredible, incredible.